Hey, hi, you are watching JP Tarot, and right now I'm going to do Will Your Person Marry You reading. Okay, that's very much your most awaited and wanted reading. So, I'm back with this reading, and this is Will Your Person Marry You? You have three piles to choose from: pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Pile 1, this white stone, pile 2, this black stone, and pile 3, this red stone. Okay, so pause the video, choose your pile, and then come back to the reading. Okay, so those who chose this white stone, you are up. Okay, okay, let me see the cards. Okay, so will your person marry you? I'm going to clarify why I'm saying this, but your person is not going to marry you. That's heartbreaking, but we'll have to understand why this is happening and if we could change this outcome. Okay, things can be changed with your behavior and perseverance and patience. Okay, so let me clarify. So somebody has options, not in a sense that they have too many options, and because this is not a seven of cup or emotional this instability card. This is just somebody needs to choose from either their job, in between their job and their person, or their family, or their person. Okay, some clarity and some decision is needed. That's creating conflict in between the partner, and that's making the other person not in a good place. That's not putting their person in a good place. Okay, they are having conflict with their partner, and each of you might be are wanting victory in this situation because both of you are stuck in this relationship. Since we are talking about relationship affects both of you person. Okay, whoever is in a relationship, it affects both sides. Though we don't accept that, we think that we are only getting affected. No, that's not the case. Okay, so your person and you are having conflict with your person, and both of you want to win over their partner because they think they are in a better place. They have an edge over their partner. They are something great in comparison to their partner, might be, or they have done something, their efforts are greater than their partner. They have the participation and their what they did in this relationship was far better than their partner. This is the feeling from both sides. Or since we are talking about your partner feels like they have put in very much effort in comparison to you. Okay, so it's time for them, or they are thinking about you to decide that they, since you both are not in good terms with each other, but still you are stuck on each other and you have a conflict, but both want to victory in this situation. Despite this quarrel with your person, from both sides you are feeling like you have done enough in this relationship. Despite this, a decision is wanted from either side. Nobody is, if both are thinking like this, or your person thinks that they have put in very much effort and you are having conflict with your partner, and both of you are stuck, both of you are not in a good place, in a hurt place, you are very much hurted, but you both guys need to take some decision. Okay, decision is whether to forgive each other for any, if your person feels like you have hurted them, or you feel that you have hurted your person has hurted you, and if you feel that your person is wanting to manipulate you, or your person is thinking that you are going to manipulate them, or you are facing a situation where you are both manipulating each other and both want to manipulate, have a win-win situation, and to manipulate your person, you want a victory over your person from both sides, or your person, since we are talking about a person, or he wants to manipulate you, want a victory over you, wants to show off, or to have a place where he have an edge over you, since he wants to manipulate you and wants to be on the upper hand side, wants to they want to manipulate you, they want to be one step above you. Okay, that's making this situation stuck. So decision is needed from both sides. If they will continue to do so, there is going to be no solution in this situation. And if your person is continuously doing this, then you need to take decide whether to be with this person or not. If there is intense love and you are stuck, so that's why you are stuck from your part, or your person is stuck on from their part, and you both are manipulating each other, there will be no solution at all. You will be in this dilemma situation. Years and years will be wasted on this situation. So have a talk with your person, clarify things. Okay, decide, choose. If it's a job and you, or a job from your part, job and your person, please do decide. Family and person, please do decide. Okay, don't put things in limbo. That's not going to serve anybody. So if will your person marry you, there is a no, because there is only competition and competition happening over here. Only a decision will help out the situation. Okay, if you will make decision, or your person will make a clear decision, that's gonna help you. Okay, that's gonna help you. Okay, since this card, outcome card, is 2 February month, hopes and passion, love. Please have a table with your person on the Valentine's. Please try to sort out things. Okay, it's a warm card. Okay, good card. Okay, but it's a warm card, but if you make decision, then it's good. Otherwise it's the worst card. Okay, because indecisiveness will only invite disaster. Okay, in this situation. So will your person marry you? Might be in the future, but for right now it's no. And so I'm giving you a maybe, only maybe when you are ready to sort out this dilemma situation, you are ready to take decision. Okay, otherwise it's a no. Okay, so hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Okay, please do like, share, subscribe, guys. That's all for you. Thank you. For those who chose this black stone, pile number 2, you are up. So lots of good card. Oh my god, all cards are positive. All cards are positive. Not a single bad card. Okay, except this one. Okay, somebody from your past wants to offer you their emotion, but they are confused. They have passion for you and you are their wish, but they are confused. Why they are confused? You know the matter might be something happened, things didn't work out in the past, so they are confused that why might be this time also they will fail in this relationship, or this relationship will fail, so they are confused, though they want to make some offer. And this could be your ex, okay, who is still now have that passion they used to have in the past, the same ignited passion for you. They are reminiscing you, they want to offer you, but they are confused. Though you are their wish, they are confused. So things need to be sorted. They want to sort out things. If this offer will happen, if they clear their mind, drop this confusion, they will offer you things. They are your ex, okay, and they will they have stable passion for you. If they will offer you something, a love offer, happiness, if they will offer you their emotion, there will be a wish fulfillment in this situation. And since there is no marriage card, okay, so reconciliation is ahead. But marriage, will your person marry you? Since is a very good card, very good card. Wish means, you know what, this is a 9 of cups leading to 10 of cups, means this is only until you are their wish. They want just a stamp on the paper. Are you getting me? If you have something, they want some official status, some assurity to turn it into a 10 of cups, complete full emotional relationship. So they are holding such a great emotion for you. They want everything with you. So will your person marry you? All cards are positive except this. Once they make up their mind, once they make up their mind for you or to offer this cup of love to you, things will run very swiftly, and you will get no time in between your proposal, love offer, and marriage. Okay, that will be really quick. See, you are having 2 to 3 months gap in between your proposal and marriage. You will be very much in a haste to marry with your person. So there could be marriage, okay, once they drop this confusion. Why they are confused? Have a talk with your person, give them some at least gesture, a sign that you are not angry with them, or something happened in between you, or you hold your emotion, you didn't break that ice, so you need to do so. But if you are girl, wait for them to make move, okay. I will never suggest a girl, because girl often get tricked and made fun of, and make fool of, okay. Though this person is not showing any flirt type of energy, but still stability should ultimately man offers stability to a woman, so women should take care of their respect and dignity, okay. So I will advise, hold on, wait for your person to make steps towards you. So will your person marry you? If they drop that confusion, they will definitely do marry you, since all the cards are good except that one card. So ultimately within 2-3 months, at least 3 months or 3 months, yeah, they can sort out things. They will sort out things, and they will gain that courage to propose you. That will be a case. So there will be marriage, okay, since all the cards are okay, great cards except that one. So you are, yes, your person will marry you, okay. That's your card. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, that's all for you. Thank you. So those who chose this black stone, red stone, pile number 3, you are up. Okay, somebody is defensive. Though they have passion for you, they are defensive. They are not showing their passion to you. They are not showing their passion towards you, that they feel that you are their other half. They want this happiness, complete happiness with you, but it's because they are feeling somewhat burdensome. They are feeling burdensome in this situation. Might be they are so defensive, and their defensiveness is burdensome on them because they have huge passion for you. They want you as their partner, other half, and they want happiness with you. But there is lots of defensiveness and burden, feeling burdened. They are feeling like they are bearing the burden of this relationship on their shoulder. They are defensive. They are bearing that burden of this relationship. They are not happy right now. They have huge emotions. They want their person as the other half. They want this happiness, but still they are too defensive. And this is not good sign that you are feeling burdensome, because ultimately this is a saturation point when we feel we should move on from that relationship. However, this is completely opposite card. Okay, completely opposite card. Though they are feeling right now defensive and burdened, they will ultimately reach this level of passion. Since they have stable passion for you, this burden will be covered and downgraded and subsumed by this Ace of Wand energy, the stable, ignited passion for you. They want you, they are defensive, they feel this relationship burdened, but you are not burdened in their eye, because they love you, they want you, they see you as their other half. They want this 10 of cup with you, though all the cards are negative, not too great. It's a maybe like situation, but these 3 cards are overpowering this other 2 cards. Okay, so but still I will say it's a maybe card, because your person has passion, but they are feeling burdened too, and in order to rise from this to this level, they will have to drop this defensiveness, which they are not giving up. They are increasing that defensiveness into a burden. Though they have passion for you and they see you their other half and want this happy life with you, there is lot of defensiveness due to some confusion, dilemma, something happened in between you two, or might be they feel like you have hurted them in the past, and there is no communication right now. Might be that is making this relationship stagnant. Nothing is moving ahead despite this passion. There is no communication, that's leading to dissatisfaction and burdensome like situation in this relation. Though there is never ending passion in this relationship, and equal this vision of having this partnership and happiness with you in this relationship is also causing this burdensome like situation, because might be you are defensive, that's making them burdensome, because they want you as their person, as their other half, because they have huge passion towards you. So might be you are defensive and that's making this relationship burdensome, because other from the other part everything is okay, your person has passion, they see you as their other half and they want this happy life with you. So these three cards are good. If you stop being defensive, if you've been hurt in the past, I can separate this card like this, that your person is feeling burdensome because of your defensiveness. Okay, they want all this good stuff with you. So if you are defensive without any reason, so I'm not going to say that start dating them, and that at least have a talk, clear their confusion, to attain some happiness in this relationship. And if they have hurted you and you are, that's why you are defensive, still I will say you can have a mediator in between you, hopefully not your friends. Okay, I don't like friends, I've got messed friends, they have messed my matter. I never involved in any, I'm saying that relationship like thing, but however there was a situation where they messed up things. Okay, without my involvement I got cursed. Okay, the friends are so nasty things. Okay, so don't involve friends. If that's this is a one-sided love, still have a talk with that person. Okay, once, okay, without any cause, don't get blamed, and have a healthy talk with your person. If they are you are also wanting this relationship, then of course. And if you don't want this relationship, that's a one-sided, still you need to talk to that person. Okay, because that person holds genuine feelings for you. Okay, have a healthy talk. Okay, will your person marry you? It's upon you. Again, it's maybe, because all cards from your person parts are great, only you need to drop down your defensiveness. Or I'm not saying just give yourself to them, just have a talk, that's dropping the defensiveness and not anything else. Okay, protect yourself, it's your right. Okay, so hope you liked it, and it's a maybe. If you sort out that, I sense one person, the one person who is defensive, at least should have talked with the other person. If that defensiveness is dropped, things could turn into a marriage, and if not, this will be in a limbo situation. It's a maybe for right now, but it has a great future ahead. So it can be yes, for right now it's a maybe. Okay, so hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Goodbye. Thank you.